What's good, guys? Happy Memorial Day. It's still raining, but we're back at Crunch, and I'm wearing the same thing I wore to the gym last night. Don't judge me, but just y'all remember what today is for. It's for remembrance of those who we've lost in any war.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Look at these rascals right here. A bunch of rascals. Yeah. X better do 80 pounds. Nah, it's more motivation. Because I'm not going to delete this.
You on camera.
You on candid camera, son? Hey, don't worry, Hector's got you.
Yeah. All right, Hector's going to help me do it. Hey, you know, it was really hard for me to believe. So we came here late today for Nico to not work out with us. Hey. Lock in for a Nico. Lock in. Hey, y'all tell us what were y'all saying? We all came late for him and he ain't even over here.
Bro, Luis came late for himself. Look at his eyes. I believe it. I believe it.
That's the first mess of part.
I take that back. Look at. Surprisingly, David wasn't late.
Never late.
There you go. You got one more. You got one more.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in that Hondo club by the end of the summer.
You got one more.
Come on.
You got 10 more. Man, he's showing out for YouTube. There we go.
Oh, they're not.
What's up, guys? I got some TMI, some personal information. We had breakfast, and then we had a snafu. Water heater went out, and it's Memorial Day. So now we're at my mom's house, and everybody's gonna get showered up and ready. But for breakfast, we had I had 3 eggs, I had 6 slices of bacon, and 1 low-carb tortilla. Somebody in the comment section said that I live by those things, and honestly, I do, because they're keeping me satiated, and they're keeping me, what's the word? On track, I guess, so to speak. So, you know, it is what it is, but I'll leave the calorie count for breakfast somewhere right here. And we're going to get ready, and we have a Memorial Day cookout this evening at the church, and we're going to go ahead and head to that. I'm cooking. I'm going to be on the grill. I'm going to be full unk status tonight. So, that's what it is. But things happen, unfortunately, and you just got to learn to move with the punches. That's what we're doing. All right, y'all, so before I go cook, I just had some leftover chicken that I got, and I'm gonna warm it up. But I have 12.1 ounces. The 0.1 is a plate, so 12.1 ounces, 12 ounces, and we're gonna warm that up and eat that. So I'm gonna warm that up and eat that for my lunch before I go cook out all these burgers and hot dogs and whatnot. We got a cornhole tournament that we're gonna have this evening. So I got 2 cornhole boards in the truck as well, and I'm about to head out pretty soon. My brother is headed out in the next hour, so I'm gonna meet him over there and then get this party started. All right, y'all headed to go cook. We got the Support the Troops Under Armour tee, the camo hat. We got the Under Armour shoes there with the black shorts, as you can see. Let's go grill some burgers. So this will be my station for the day. Better cook up some burgers, some hot dogs, I think. We'll get another table set up over here for the other food and do it that way. All right, we got the station looking set up. We got the beef patties, some seasons, got the spatula, got all the buns. So we got more people bringing sides and stuff like that, so let's get to it.
Turn to, you know what? We turn to everything before that. Yeah, so many different things, got it like that. I'm feeling all these things up in this place like that. So much space.
Cause tonight will be the night that I will die for you over again. Don't ever change my mind. Hey,
Donna, you can't go home tomorrow. It's stormy.
Noah.
Did I give you that?
Noah. 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 Little emo boy.
They all have different things.
Little emo boy.
Have you right?
Good morning, YouTube. It is, I don't know why I'm so yelling so loud. Good morning, YouTube. It is Tuesday morning. Yesterday was a successful Memorial Day outreach, cookout, picnic, cornhole tournament. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage from yesterday. But last night I had, I have to add up the calories, but I had 2 burger patties. That was an accumulative 4 ounces. And then I had 2 hot dogs from Ballpark brand. But I'll put the calorie count somewhere in here so you can see that. But that was what I finished the day out with. Someone was looking at me a little weird just because I was eating meat and no bun. But it is what it is. And my wife, she ended up having a little scale. I didn't get to use it yesterday, but she bought a little travel size scale because we're going on a trip soon. And we're going to try to continue this, what am I trying to say? This routine of life and things. So today we took my boss told us yesterday at the gym, or after the gym, he said, if y'all want to take tomorrow off, y'all can take tomorrow off. Since we don't get it on Memorial Day, because it's on Memorial Day that we're usually closed, because it's a Monday. But see, more updates. Plumber came by. The water heater is fixed. We have hot water. Yeah, I think that's pretty much the gist of everything that's happened within the past since I've last vlogged, which was last night. It poured like crazy, and we're gonna go and drive around Paladero Canyon because, you know, just for a little scenic drive. All the trails and stuff are closed because of the flooding and stuff. Well, not flooding, well, yeah, because of rainfall. I don't know if it flooded down there. I doubt it did, but we're gonna go down there and check it out anyway, just to get out of the house. And then this evening, I have band practice, and that'll pretty much close out the day. But time for some caffeine. Oh, another thing is, I have not slept as hard as so long. I think last night I went to bed at like 11:30, and I didn't wake up till 11:45-ish today. All my kids are out of the house except my oldest. She slept, you know, she sleeps in her own 13-year-old. She got her own side of the house. But usually my 5-year-old and my 2-year-old are the ones that are always trying to be in our room, our bed, and all that stuff, and hardly ever get any good sleep. But last night was some great sleep. I feel really rejuvenated. And you're probably asking yourself, well, if you feel rejuvenated and you got that much sleep, why do you need caffeine? Maybe I don't need it. Maybe I just want it. And so I want it, and I'm gonna go get some caffeine. But I'll get you guys some footage of the canyon, hopefully. Also, I forgot to show you the fit. So we got a faded culture hat on there, as you can see. I like how it looks. We got a Burl Lebo hoodie on, pullover. I don't even know what this brand is. I was Academy. I wanted a gray hoodie, and this was like, what, $13? So I got that. We got the Nike sweats with the all black Nike Vomeros with the white socks. I got the dad fit going today. Look, guys, this is always the hardest decision of my day. It's like, do I go with blue Hawaiian, or do I go with the ultraviolet, or do I go with watermelon, or do I go with my favorite, or do I go with the OG Old Faithful or reliable, or do I venture out and get some Welch's grape? I don't know what to do, guys. So this is what we opted for. It's the Ultra Fantasy Ruby Red Monster Energy Drink. 16 fluid ounces, 0 sugar per can. So yeah, I'm gonna try that bad boy. It's been a minute. I don't remember what it tastes like really, so I don't really get this one often. I think it's grapefruit, but yeah. So we're at my mom's house waiting for my brother to get off. Everybody's eating. What you munching on?
I got rice and ground beef and half of a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich is that?
It's got ham, bologna, and chili cheese.
Interesting.
Let me have bologna.
What did you eat? What did you eat?
Let me have bologna.
Bro, chill out. What did you eat earlier?
Hot dogs, meat, and apples.
Okay, you're good. And you just had half a cookie. You want some more rice and ground beef?
Yes.
All right, we'll get it for you. I myself had 2 bologna slices and a slice of mild cheddar. What's wild cheddar? It's wild. But the hardest part about dieting is, like I said before, having a mom that can cook, having a wife that knows how to cook. If your mom and your wife don't know how to cook, or your significant other, then it'd be easy. Easy peasy. If one eats, they all want to eat. What are you eating?
Rice.
And what? Meat?
Yes.
Yes? Is it good? Who's a big back? Guy. My daughter called my shoes. She thought these were my dad's shoes, so they thought they were grandpa's shoes. We made it inside the state park. There is the canyon. Second largest canyon in the continental United States. What'd you say?
What if you rolled all the way down?
I think you'd get hurt. You want me to push you down there?
No!
We need to go to Brushy Butt Canyon.
Where's that at?
The 1.36 miles.
You ready to hike? Here's more of the canyon from a different angle. We're on a ridge right now, but the lighthouse trail is that way. Let's see if I can zoom in on it for y'all. So right there is the actual lighthouse. And you start 3 miles out, like somewhere over here, somewhere, and you hike all the way over there and back. So it's a 6-mile hike, but it's a fun hike. Run, 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 run. This is usually where we would hike up to that little like cave looking thing up there, but it's all closed, but it's all muddy and stuff. But we'll try to take some pictures.
Jordy, get away.
They're breaking federal law right now on the other side of the fence. 2, 3.
Yeah, good
What do
job.
you mean find land?
Hey, grandbabies, hurry, get in, hurry.
What's this?
Step like that.
Go see Papa. Let Papa hold you.
Papa doesn't go like
Hey,
that.
you don't hit her. You don't hit
I
him.
don't know how to work this thing. Found a cool little drawbridge.
Oh, nice.
Y'all kids be careful.
Okay, now. Hold on. Okay, do that again. Okay.
This bridge looks sketchy. Wonder what the weight capacity is. Let's get a picture real quick of just us real quick. We have my wife hanging out of the whip.
Jump.
We just got back from the canyon. My mom's neighbors, they play music. So right now they're playing Shania Twain. Sounds pretty good. Really good musicians. But other than that, we're going to have dinner. My dad's going to go ahead and cook out. He's going to grill for me and my family. A lot of my family you saw in the video. So, but other than that, like I said, great 2 days. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, drop some comments in the comment section. I'm not gonna record what dinner I have. I'm gonna try to get this uploaded ASAP, and I'll go over what I had for dinner tomorrow. But it's gonna be chicken. My dad's grilling chicken, so that's what we're gonna eat tonight. And then I think he's grilling pork sticks too. But He's making other stuff that I can't really eat, but that's what I'm gonna eat. But this is day 22 in the books. Day 22 we've been at this, so I'm just excited to have made it this far. But let me close out this video. And so whatever time it is for you, y'all have a good morning, good night, good evening. God bless.